Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by measuring 1 cup white rice and rinse briefly to remove excess starch. Then cook it in 2 cups water until tender, about 15-20 minutes. Spread the hot rice on a shallow tray to cool faster, stirring occasionally to release steam. Target a safe incubation temperature by allowing the rice to cool to 40-45 degrees C, 104-113 degrees F, before proceeding. For a smooth yogurt base, combine 1 cup cooked rice with 1 cup water or unsweetened milk in a blender and process until completely smooth. Once the rice base is smooth and at 40-45 degrees C, 104-113 degrees F, stir in 2 tablespoons of active plain yogurt or a probiotic capsule to inoculate. Mix thoroughly to distribute cultures. Pour the inoculated mixture into a clean, covered jar or yogurt maker and hold it at a steady 40-45 degrees C for 8-12 hours. This time range develops tang and texture. Use an insulated cooler with a warm water bottle, an oven with the light on, or a dedicated yogurt maker to maintain temperature. After fermentation, transfer the rice yogurt to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours to firm the texture and slow bacterial activity. If you prefer thicker yogurt, whisk in 1 tablespoon powdered milk while cold or strain the yogurt through a fine cloth for 1-2 hours to remove excess liquid. Adjust sweetness and flavor by stirring in 1-2 tablespoons honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla, or about 100 grams mashed fruit per 2 cups yogurt. Store in sealed containers for up to 5 days, and always use clean utensils to avoid contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.